Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2013 Mazda CX-5 GX. Now the most notable features on this GX is its steering wheel audio control. You also have your AM, FM, CD player along with your Bluetooth connectivity. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2013 Mazda CX-5 GX. Let's get started. Now, taking a look at some of the exterior features, you will see on this CX-5 your daytime running lights. And over on the side, you have your 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels, foldable mirrors, and as you can see on these sets of windows here, you have the window visored guards. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is gray. Now to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now, you have your black cloth interior seat surfaces, your light controls, and then on the inside of your driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls, both your front and rear windows. Now, a couple of controls that you'll see on the steering wheel include your seek function, volume control, info button, voice recognition, Bluetooth, cruise control, and then over on the side here you do have your push button start. So all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Taking a look at the multi-informational display, you have an exterior temperature gauge, and if you hit the info button just on the left-hand side of your steering wheel, you'll see your average fuel economy, current fuel economy, and a couple of other additional features as well. Now, taking a look at the center dash as well as your display, you'll see a couple of different options on here. So if you go inside the setup menu, you'll find your display, sound, vehicle, as well as a couple of other additional features. Down below you have your hazard lights with your digital clock, temperature control settings. Your power outlet will just be located underneath here, and it's mounted to an automatic transmission. And taking a look up top here, you'll see your sunglass case holder as well. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate, now located underneath your Mazda emblem. You'll find your rear hatch release. And taking a closer look just on the inside here, if you do need the additional space, you can actually fold down that 60-40 split rear seat, just in case you have a couple of things that need to be moved. You also have some smaller storage space slots just located on your left and right hand side. And if we take a look just underneath the floor here, you'll find your spare tires as well as your jack and toolkit. So if you do find yourself in a bit of a pinch, you know exactly where it's located. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions on this 2013 Mazda CX-5 GX, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comments section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.